Okay, let us see 8th week 4th question. Okay, a cylinder with square hole in the middle. Okay, let us draw AutoCAD. Take AutoCAD and you change this mode. Ensure that you are in 2D mode. Okay, now units and limits. Basic command you type. Basic commands you set. Okay, units single digit. Okay, millimeter or single digit, double digit will take. Okay, and limits. Enter upper value directly, it will take the upper value, and zoom, enter, all enter. Okay, now let us go for drawing that cylinder top view. First you should draw the cylinder top view. Okay, what is the diameter of the cylinder? 100. Take diameter circle and 100 mm. Okay, that. Then take your XY line with straight line, reference line, and you go for projection line. Okay, in some other color. Okay, project this up to XY line. Okay, now then you go for object can be in. Okay, let it be white in color. Why not? Let it be object is white in color. Okay, now let us project this line up to this. Now you draw object white color. Okay, you draw height of the cylinder 140 mm. 140. Okay, you draw front view, top view. Okay, cylinder front view, top view. Quickly you draw. Okay, now give the axis line. We are not having axis, so customize axis line. A for axis. Center line, not axis, center line. C for center line. You take this center. Okay, and along with this you go for dotted line, hidden line. H for hidden. Okay, you take this small hidden, h 0.5x. Okay, both line can be switched. You take yellow color and take center line and draw line for the cylinder center. Okay, done, which is 150 mm height cylinder. Now let us draw the square hole in this center of the line. Okay, take that hole is white in color object. So take polygon. Directly you take polygon. Number of sides 4 and edge somewhere outside you draw and move it and keep it inside. And first end point of the edge, second end point will be at the rate of, let us directly draw the inclined line at the rate of 60 one side at an angle smaller than symbol 45. Then this square will come like this. You change the line type, continuous line. Okay, now move the square here. You can draw square straight and rotate it 45 degree or else. Okay, simple at 60 mm square and rotate it 45 degree, or directly you draw like this and move it in the middle of the axis. Okay, move command middle here. Okay, now you divide the circle into number of divisions, equal number of divisions. Single line text, no, divide command, take divide command, div, that is the divide command, short form, and select the object, enter the 6th division. Okay, now the circles are divided into 6 division by points. The points are on the circumference, so let us make it bigger. Appearance, point appearance, PT, enter. you change the point appearance, let it be 5 mm. Okay, then as soon as you divided, you name it. Single line text, select height 10 or 5, rotation angle 0. Here 5 is very small, so make it appearing 10. Okay, 10. Then angle 0, then A, not caps, smaller case letter A. This is B, this is C. Like that you name it, D, E, F. Okay, X, Y, X, Y. Wherever you want, you can name it at once. Similar, this here also you can name it. This is A, top only, A dash, A dash. This will be here one line we are going to project, that can be named later. This D only we will name it. See here, D dash, D dash. Okay. Then 4 corners of the circle also you name it. 1 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Okay, 4 dash. Okay, then and there you name it. That is the correct good practice. Now let us draw the projection line and name it accordingly. Projection line, color changed. You FB, you project it this side. Line type also we need to change. So line type also we need to change continuous. Okay. Here also you change it continuous. Okay. Then you draw projection line EC can be projected here. Okay. Then you have to name it. Instead of naming, let us copy the A dash and name it. Edit. Copy. Here one copy, here another copy, and double click and you can go for editing. Okay. What is this? This point FB, F dash B dash. Okay. F dash. F will appear in the observer, near to observer. Okay. F dash in bracket B dash. Close bracket. Similar way, this will be E dash C dash. E dash bracket C dash. Close. Understand? Okay. This edge, this projected points. Okay. Now we'll mark. We need to open this lateral surface of the cylinder here nearby. So we'll go for this double click the circle, top view. Two length will appear in the top view. Two distance 314.16. That is the circumferential perimeter. Okay. So accordingly we will draw a line straight to this, because then only we will going to project this. Say it will be straight to that. Okay. Straight to this. You select the bottom. Later we will draw we change the color of this. 314. Accordingly you draw 16. Okay. And this one height is 140. Yeah, 140. Okay. Accordingly you draw that rectangle 314.16 and C for close. C. Okay. Now let us change the color. Object color always same color. Okay, that cylinder is white in color, so let us make it. Now let us divide this circumference into 6 divisions. So similar here, divide this into 6 division. You take the divide command, divide, select the object 6. Okay, and you project the lines. Let us change the object color white. Okay. Draw lines from that divided points. This is the projectors of the cylinder. Now let us name it. Then and there you name it. A, B, C, D. Okay, this one 10 caps A. Okay, caps A, B, C, D, E, F, again A. Okay, done. Now projection line can be drawn one by one. Let us our aim is to note down this 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash here. Okay, so let us project the point 1 dash first. 1 dash, escape, zoom it and take proper corner. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, and let us say 1 dash. In order to make it here, mark here, it is from the A dash generator, it is this much distance, but this distance is not a true length. True distance will be appear always in the top view. So let us take distance from top view. So project this. In order to take the distance, project this 1 dash down also. It will cut the circumference here, this point. Okay, now A to this point you have to measure and mark from the A point here. Okay, so how to measure? Let us draw one separate arc in some color, to contrast color, change color, draw arc. Generally you can measure by arc length. See that arc length. To make this arc length measurement, we need an arc separately. So we are drawing the arc. Okay. Now let us take center, start, end. Center of the arc, the circle center, start point, end point. Accordingly you take center, you touch the circle, it will show the center, first center, start point of arc and end point of arc. A green color arc will be drawn. Then you take that distance, arc length, select this, drag it, it will show the distance of that arc length to 27.88. That distance is from A to A generator distance. Okay, A to B, that should be marked. Okay, from A. So you create a point from this A and move it 27. Okay, take point. Is it point taken? Not taken. PT only taken. So PO enter. You create a point here. Okay, and move it 27.88 towards B. Move command, select object, enter and drag it 27.88. Okay, this is a 1 dash point. Okay, let us give 1 point name 1. Later we will give name. Okay, for your understanding. Now similar way you mark the point, project this point. 2 dash can be projected, a projection line can be drawn here. Okay, then it will be here. That point is on this line. To down also you project. Okay, now this here you need to arc, one arc, draw one arc. Okay, take arc, center, start, this color, arc color, uniform color you select. Okay, then take arc, center, start, end. Okay, now let us measure the arc length. This length can be measured 26.18 from C towards B. Okay, 26, or you place the point here and move it like this. Okay, B point. Add this from B point. This point is 26.18. You add this projector. You mark a point. Okay, you create a point first on the B. point on B, okay, and move it 26.18 towards C, okay. Move command, select object, enter, and move it 26.18. Understand? Okay. Only 2 points enough. This is 2 dash. Instead, this 3 dash will be same like this point with respect to the straight line, okay, to this. So no need to measure these things again and again. So let us mirror these 2 points with respect to another point. Okay, mirror, select object, top point will mirror with respect to the horizontal line. It can be mirrored. Okay, see that this point. Okay, if you draw one line, you can check it. Draw one line, it will be straight to this. Okay, so mirrored. Then this point can be mirrored this side with respect to this. So mirror, select object, enter these 2 point. Okay, now this is, if you draw, it will be same like this. So but we need developed here one point. So midpoint can be projected, midpoint of the square. See that I'll projection line can be some other color. Okay, you project the midpoint. In order to get this, you project downward distance from B. Okay, this distance. Okay, you draw one arc, some color, this color, let it be in that color. You draw one arc, small arc. Center, start, end. This is the arc drawn. This arc length can be taken carefully, 4.27 from B towards C on this line. Okay, point from B you create and then move it 4.27 towards C. 4.27. Okay, now you go for green color line. Now you can notice that this is curved, little bit curved. Okay, so similar way this can be mirrored vice versa. Mirror, select object, enter with respect to vertical line, and these 2 can be mirrored with respect to horizontal line. 1, 2, enter this line. Okay, you will get the shape like this, and go for spline, and you take switch off ortho, draw single spline, then take spline, draw another single piece of spline. Okay, and another piece of separate piece of spline, then only that perfect shape will be there. Okay, now let us change this color into white color. White color is our object, isn't it? Now this can be mirrored with respect to D edge. See that D edge. This one side hole will be here, another side hole will be here. So with D, otherwise A here, not possible to take A. So let us take D edge. So mirror, select the lines, everything, points, enter. You select the mirror line as a D line, D generator. Okay, and you will get the perfect developed shape of the cylinder with square hole. Okay, now you take a dimension and give proper dimensions, height of the cylinder as well as length of the circumference. Okay, 3 point. Okay, this is the development of circular cylinder lateral surface with a square hole inclined to HP, equally inclined square surface. Okay, thank you.